Kills Corner. Hey, man. Sad news on this rainy Thursday morning. Now, they've all come out now and talking about it. Errol Spence in a serious car accident. Fresh off his big-time win over Sean Porter, which was now leading to bigger fights, bigger things for this kid. It's very, it's disturbing. It's disturbing. Yeah. Flipped his Ferrari over a few times to say he wasn't wearing a seatbelt. And now we're going to see if he was drinking and driving. The last video I saw, people were saying, look at Errol Spence, he's drunk. And he's been drunk a few times in public. And that's his business. But he better not be drinking and driving. Right. So, let's hope not. But, let me just say that. But, it would be shameful, okay? And he's in serious condition. Let's hope he can come back and fight, because he was on the verge of getting what he's worked all this time for. And now maybe he's thrown it all away now on some stupid fast driving. Let's, hey man, I'm at Legacy, okay? I'm at Legacy. I just heard it, all right? So, Legacy Barbershop. Oh, Killer Kid 2, my co-host. What?
Yeah,
huh?
You know what it is. It's Shannon Kamal. Hey, that's sad news though, man. Sending out my condolences, not condolences, but wishing you the best, Errol. Hope you get back into it. But we all got our vices, man. Let this be a lesson to all those out there with these vices. These vices will bring you down. Sooner or later, they will bring you down. So let's try to curb those vices, man.
Hey, man. Shout out to Real Life Boxing. Coach Fire, he said, I hope it's no foul play. I hope there's no foul play. And he's talking about drinking and driving. Yeah. And I'm going to tell you something right now. There is more of a chance of it being yes than no. All right? Let's be real. Yeah. Okay? Now, I'm hoping it's no, too. Okay?
Of course.
We're all hoping it's no. But it's probably yes. And I hope this teaches a lesson to others and him. Yeah. If he survives this. Okay? Because it's reckless behavior. There was no need for it. Just like the great Salvador Sanchez crashed his Ferrari doing 98 miles an hour. Dude, there was no need for you to be driving that fast. But, hey, man, we can only hope and pray for the best. Champ, Errol Spence, he seems like a good dude, and he was just getting ready to heed in the profits of all that he's been working for his whole career up till now. All right? He was just about there. Now let's hope he bounces back. And if he does or he doesn't, let this whole thing be a lesson to all. Hopefully, man. There's no hope for when you're drinking and driving. I can tell you that right now. Drinking and driving is bad. That's bad.
It is bad.
That's bad, and it's dumb because of all these other things you have out there. You got Uber, you got Lyft, you got all that. You can call that taxi cab, cab. Hell yeah, cab. Right? There's no need for it. There is no need for it. There's no excuse. When it happens and you get caught, there's no excuse. Definitely. No doubt. But hey man, prayers out to Errol Spence, baby. Prayers to the champ. Let's hope he pulls through. Word. Kills Corner. Exclusive. Word. Word Legacy Barbershop.
Shannon Kamal. Don't forget Killer Kid 2.
Killer Kid 2, baby. Coming to you soon. Word. Hands up, chin down. Keep punching, baby. Hey man. Drinking and driving has no good, amigo. No good. And now I'm out.